My morning routine. Every morning, I wake up early and stretch my body. Then, I brush my teeth and take a quick shower. After getting ready, I prepare my breakfast, usually bread and eggs. I like to read the newspaper while eating. Before I leave for work, I check my bag and make sure everything is packed. My routine helps me stay active and happy all day. Vocabulary words with meanings. Wake. To stop sleeping. Stretch. To extend your arms or legs. Brush. To clean. Usually teeth or hair. Shower. A bath under running water. Prepare. To make something ready. Breakfast. The first meal of the day. Read. To look at and understand words. Leave. To go away from a place. Check. To examine or look at something carefully. Routine. A regular daily activity plan.